Approaching a girl isn't hard. The hard part is convincing yourself to do it. You see a girl you want to talk to. For 1 second, it feels easy. You think, I'll just go say hi. Then your brain starts talking. What if she thinks I'm weird? What if she rejects me? Now you're standing there pretending to look at your phone while the moment slips away. We've all been there, so let's make this a lot simpler. No weird tricks, no pickup lines, just things that actually work in real life. First, slow down. Don't walk over the second you see her. Take one deep breath. Relax your shoulders. No pressure. No psyching yourself up. That's it. Just remind yourself, I'm only saying hello, nothing more. That alone removes 90% of the awkwardness. Women notice that instantly. That's a huge difference. Now, when you do walk over, don't sneak up behind her. Don't appear out of nowhere like a video game character, and don't speed walk toward her. Just walk normally. Come from a direction where she can see you. The more comfortable she feels, the more comfortable you'll feel too. Now comes the part every guy overthinks. What do I say? You don't need a perfect line. You don't need something funny or clever. The simpler your opener, the more natural it feels. Example, hey, I just wanted to say hi. Or, hi, I thought I'd introduce myself. Or even, hey, quick question. That's enough. Keep your tone calm. Approaching isn't about impressing her. It's about starting a normal conversation. When guys get nervous, they think they have to keep talking. So they rush every sentence. They start filling every little pause because they're afraid the conversation is about to end. But here's the truth. A few seconds of silence won't ruin the conversation. But if you start to panic, it probably will. Say what you want to say. Let her answer. Give space. If she's enjoying the conversation, you'll feel it. She'll smile. She'll ask you things back. She'll give you something to work with. But if her answers stay short, or she seems distracted, don't immediately assume she's rejecting you. Maybe she's waiting for someone. Maybe she's in the middle of something. Maybe she just isn't in a talking mood today. You don't have to figure it out. Just smile and say, nice talking to you. Have a great day. Then move on. That's confidence too. Now pay attention to something most guys completely miss. Her body language. Is she facing you? Making eye contact? Laughing naturally? Keeping the conversation alive? Great. Stay a little longer. But if she's looking around, checking the time, or giving you one-word answers, take the hint, keep it short, wish her a good day, and leave. That isn't rejection, it's good timing. Here's another trap, trying too hard to impress her. You don't need to sound impressive. You don't need to prove anything, and you definitely don't need to act like someone you're not. The easiest people to talk to are usually the ones who aren't trying to impress anyone. So relax, talk normally, ask questions you're actually curious about. That's what makes conversations feel real. Here's one last tip. Don't wait until the conversation starts running out of energy. Leave while you're both still enjoying it. Something as simple as, I've got to get going, but I'm glad I came over. Works perfectly. Short, friendly, easy. If things felt natural, ask to stay in touch. Are you on Instagram? Or, we should do this again sometime. Want to exchange numbers? Ask once. If she says yes, great. If she says no, smile. Wish her a good day and keep moving. The way you handle a no says far more about your confidence than the number of yeses you get. Approaching someone doesn't have to feel complicated. Stay calm. Keep it simple. Pay attention to her energy and let the conversation happen naturally. But before you approach anyone, there's one thing that can make your life a whole lot easier. Sometimes she's already giving you signs. The problem is, most guys completely miss them. I've already made a video called Signs She Wants You to Ask Her Out. If you haven't watched it yet, go check it out next.